Mr. Danny, Mr. Chandresh, and Mr. Sachin from Espresso, our platinum partner, to kindly come up on stage and share a little bit about Espresso. Let's give them a big round of applause. Mr. Danny, Mr. Chandresh, and Mr. Sachin. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Danny. I'm here from Team Espresso. For all of you all who don't know, Espresso is from the house of Sher Khan, which you must have heard of. So Espresso is Sher Khan's foray into discount broking. You'll see us all in the sea of yellow, like we like to call ourselves. And just to tell you how important a conference like this and us participating with Ashok and Traders Conclave is, we have the entire leadership team here. I would like to invite Kalyan, who's our CEO. I would like to invite Rizwan, who heads our IT. I would like to invite Chandresh. Chandresh is the guy who builds platforms. Just to give you a small background about them, Kalyan, Chandresh, Rizwan, they are veterans from Sher Khan. So they have been involved in the journey of building Sher Khan. And that's why when we started Espresso, our vision was very clear. We wanted to put an experienced team behind Espresso because one thing we know, what all traders want is a platform which is solid, built by solid people. So that's Team Espresso now. Without taking more of your time, what we are going to share with you today is, we are going to show you a set of features which we are extremely proud of. It's going to be presented by Sachin and by Himanshu. So without further ado, I will begin, but Kalyan.
First of all, Ashok, great job done. I was telling Ashok, I'm pleasantly shocked by the kind of arrangement. And Espresso or Sher Khan produces a lot of business partners and businesses. I can see two prominent ones, Rohit Srivastav, who was a proud Sheru for 2 decades, is here. Anand Acharya, who was our business partner. So there is something about Sher Khan, it produces a lot of entrepreneurs, and I'm so proud to be associated with Ashok and Traders Gurukul. Thank you so much. My humble submission to all of you is, this is not going to be a sales pitch where we roam around and share our visiting cards and say, come and open an account with Espresso. That's not the idea. My humble request is, when the team presents the cutting edge features, I would want each one of you to probably write to us on Twitter what you feel about us. And if you think that it is horrible, please write it, because we take that as a constructive criticism. We don't want you to be good to us. We want you to be honestly brutal, so that we work back and get a better product experience for all of you. Thank you so much, and thank you.
Thank you.
Over to you guys.
Yeah, can we switch to the presentation? Yeah. Thank you. So, before we begin, I just want to tell you, while Himanshu and Sachin are really going to focus on 3 features we are extremely proud to share with you. These are recently launched, but this is how we work. We participate in all these conferences, and our core objective is singular. Listen to what traders like all of you over here want, and then we go ahead and build those features. People like Siva, who are already here, we worked with him over the past few months. He wanted a particular type of feature because he does option scalping. We built it. So what we are trying to tell you is, this is how Espresso is working to build its features. We are co-creating with traders like you. So all of you who are here, like Kalyan said, please try our platform. If you want demos, we are here. We've got a large team so that we can sit with you, show you the platform. And if you have certain interesting ideas, features you don't get anywhere else, you want us to try and build it for you, that's what we want to do. So 13 key features. But before I hand it over, see, there are 13 key features which we are extremely happy about, but there are 3 killer ones, and that's what we'll focus on. So I'll just hand it over to Himanshu and Sachin to take over. And a lot of these 13 features, if any of you want to know more, please come ahead and meet any of us. You'll see us in yellow. So Himanshu.
Yeah, thanks Danny very much. Hello friends, everyone who's present. Is a one aspect. Okay, adding a feature is another aspect. It's very important. Okay, we understand, we add the features, The third one is very, very important. There's a vital requirement of a trader. That is a speed. Okay. So this is where we are focusing ourselves more and deeper, so that the speed what you want over the platform when you are using the features, there you should get it. This is the most important aspect that we are looking into on all our features. Now coming to a very important things which I would like to share about the 3 features. As you can see, you must have seen the 13 features over here. I would like to talk about the split order. One is the split order is...
Once again, Himanshu, I think we have veterans here who understand split order like the back of their palm. It's only fair that we demonstrate a product and show them whether we are capable enough of handling split orders.
So hello all, I'm going to show you split order functionality in Binge desktop. So this is beautifully designed, specially designed for all kind of traders, right? So here we want to get us scalpers or like frequent traders who continuously placing the orders. So with the split order, it is going to place multiple orders within just one click. So I'm going to place one order. So this is my order. My order already it is filled. Now I'm placing the price. 3, 2, 4, 1. All orders 14 is gone. You can check your order book, see the speed. Do you want me to place again? I'll repeat. So I'm opening order window, one click. I'm adding a price, tap, 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 order gone. So this is what we talk about, the speed, easiness, everything. So this is a whole order book.
Okay.
One click, you can cancel all. See the live, it is getting cancelled one by one, tick by tick. Within a seconds, all 28 orders cancelled. Then I like to show very important features which we added in trading tool, that is a smart basket. Many of the time traders place orders and they definitely want to trade with the margin, right? They want to hedge their position. So we have created smart basket. I would like to show you that. Just I have created one simple strategy, okay, which is a butterfly, okay. I would like to add one more in front of you. I'm going to option chain, okay. This is all live tick by tick option chain where we calculate live IV, live Greeks, everything is there and it is working superbly, okay. I'm going to add or to create one order. I'm adding in smart basket. This order is fulfilled because we have designed predefined order setting where you can set everything under one window. I'll show you that. This is a order setting. You can define by different segments or you can define by quantity, then value. Then if you want to know or if you are trading with the multiple price, for like if I trading with the 10 or 20 rupees options, I want to place 10,000 orders. If option price is between 50 to 100, I want to place 500 orders. So you can everything set that. Then you can set your order type also. Then you can set stop loss bracket price also. So everything is pre-filled because we want to focus on main part is trading. Rest we will take care of. So now I am adding. So I have added. Then I can easily drag and drop. So I just have to drag and drop. It will open an order window for me. Simply. I just have to set the quantity. I'm going for a butterfly. So I'm just adding the contract. Then easily I can modify also. I'm going for the 2 lots. Short.
Thoda voice bada de.
Yeah.
I think that's not it.
Yes. So I'm again adding far contract. It is just for the demonstrate purpose. Yeah. So this is a smart basket. In the smart basket, we have given all the kind of functions which you require. Okay. So we have added pre-margin. Okay. Before the placing the order, you can see the margin, what you wanted. If you want to place order one by one at the below of the bottom. Okay. After the execution, when all orders get executed, what margin you require. That will definitely get auto system by our limit statement. So you just have to more focus on the trading part. So within a one click, you can push all the orders. So this is what we talk about the smart basket. Then I would like to show you easy option. As a option trader, definitely now market is very much volatile. Market is going up, down 500 points, 800 points sometimes. Definitely, as a scalper, as a trader, you want one watch list, right? So when you do the analysis just before one day, right? And when market get open gap up or gap down on the next day, again you have to create a watch list. So what we did, we have created a simple watch list for you that we called easy option. Name itself, it is very easy. Within a one click, my option watch list is ready. We have given a smart setting for all the option traders where you can define what contract you want to trade, then the expiry, okay, then you can select your center strike. For example, if you want to set 41,000 as a center strike, it will accept that. Then I am doing a trading with 4 strikes above and 4 strikes below with the spot price or whatever the strikes which you have selected. You can select that. Then we have given multiple functions to you. So like within a click, your option watch list is ready. So we want you just focus on more and more trading. This all the features we have co-created with the traders. So we would like to welcome all your feedbacks and suggestion to us. So definitely along with you, we will create, we will innovate the more and more products. So now you can more focus on trading, rest we will take care of.
Thank you so much, Sachin.
Repeat order. Typically, when you place large quantity order, right? What is the typical problem as a customer you face? You don't know what the max quantity allowed by exchange, correct? So you have to go to the NSE site and you have to check what is the max quantity. And even if you know the max quantity, but you want to place multiple order, you have to place the multiple order, right? So we have handled the 2 problem which faced by trader, you know. You don't have to go to NSE site to check what is today's Nifty max quantity, you know. You just punch your order, just focus on your trading. Rest everything will be taken care by the Espresso platform. We will check on a real-time basis what is the max quantity allowed by the exchange, and based on that, we will run the calculation. We will show you as a confirmation window. It's a one click. Okay, how much order going to place by the system, and you already seen the speed, right? So whole idea was we wanted to show the speed, but I also want to add the feature how we have built it. And believe me, easy option idea was come in one of the event. Pranav is there, if I'm not wrong, right? Pranav, are you there? So Pranav has actually come up to me and we had a discussion. He was facing problem of adding and creating the watch list, right? He was a scalper. He was a scalping trader. He was doing scalping at the brisk pace, and we wanted to match our platform to his need. Sorry, right? So what we done, we not just created the easy option to help Pranav, but we wanted to help each and every option trader, because on expiry day you have to add, remove, is really, really painful, and it's not trader's job, right? It's system should do it. Now system is so powerful nowadays, everything can be done by system, right? So this is how, this is what I just want to add on to what they have shown. So idea was we wanted to show you the speed, the capacity of the platform. So you can, on real-time basis, you can see the screen, how the system is working. And I'm just, top of that, I'm just adding the, how we build it, how we approach entire Espresso platform. One last addition, when I started, with my team developing this particular Espresso platform, Kalyan told me, Chandresh, whatever you've done till now, you just forget it. I worked on Trade Tiger software, I work on the Sherkhan app. So he told me, Chandresh, just forget it. You just leave it. Whatever you know, just forget it. Just listen to the customer. And then you will come up with a great idea. And believe me, we not roll out Espresso directly. Kalyan told me, Chandresh, you have to invite few traders to taste this particular platform, what you are building. And by doing this, all the feature, this 13 feature is just like we build to overcome the customer problem smartly. But other feature on the platform, if you see, there are lots and lot of feature. We integrated the TradingView Pro also. You can just, I request everyone to come to our stall and have a demo. we have solved the real problem of the customer viewing multiple chart in mobile. We are allowed to show you how we design entire trading view, on a mobile app, where as a trader in mobile app, what happens, you can't see the multiple chart. Either you have to come back to the watch list or you have to search the script, right? But our design on Espresso platform, mobile and website, where we integrated the TradingView Pro, you will able to see the multiple chart. So I will request everyone to please visit us. Please talk to us. We are here 3 days. We want to understand from you what is your requirement, and from here we want to build the platform. So any question, we are happy to know.
Yes, sir. Chandru, wait.
Yeah, we are here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
To invite 50 top class traders from India. It is very difficult to meet all the people in one roof. Okay, this is my question to you. Share concepts is Espresso. They are concentrating on no brokerage basis. Okay, I am with Sharkan for the last 18 years.
No.
I earn a lot, I earn a lost. Okay, earning, I am very happy with my earnings.
So navigation become a very, very easy. You don't have to lose your position, your trading screen, your watch list. Now the beauty, you might have some question, right? How can I view chart in a bigger screen? No worry. MyEspresso.com is we designed in a very, very flexible way. You can just expand and collapse entire screen. Sachin, can you collapse the watch list, please? So this is the watch list. You just collapse. What will happen? You will have the chart, bigger charting area. Now you want more space? No worries. You can hide entire top section. So now the beauty of this particular design, you will not feel on our website that much. If you are multiple chart trader, you will love this. But on mobile app user, believe me, we have similar tab option on mobile app. So what will happen? You are switching between the Nifty, spot, future, call option, put option chart will be like this. So we can improve on our product. So that's the whole objective. So sir, this is the screen.
This screen is satisfied, but I have to try with your mobile app. And my second question and the last question.
And we'll take one more question.
Espresso.
With some time, we'll take one more question. Yeah. Yes, sir.
My second question and last question. Suppose if I am having credit balance of rupees 5 lakhs, if I put my good to trade order for rupees 2 lakhs, the remaining 3 lakhs only I am eligible to trade. Your app or software automatically will block my good to trade order amounting to up to rupees 2 lakhs. If I have the credit balance of rupees 5 lakhs, my good to trade order is 2 lakhs. So I am eligible to trade only rupees 3 lakhs.
Sir, I think we need to sit together and I need to write down your numbers. Then I can give you the answer. Right now, I'm very sorry, I'm not able to tell you upfront because the number is involved.
Okay, thank you.
We'll meet. I will surely
Thank
meet
you,
with
thank you.
I have a simple question. For your smart basket, do you have a smart basket target stop loss which is applicable on the whole basket, or a person has to track those basket individually? Like if you have a complex strategy and you think that you are going to take a profit of 10,000 and stop loss of 5,000, whatever.
So, sir, for intraday, we do have bracket order where you can put the stop loss.
So that's for a stock or individual, correct? No, I'm talking about basket.
At basket, and you want to exit based on end-to-end profit and loss. No, sir, that's in our pipeline. We already get this feedback. And
Yeah, but that's a good one. That's a good one. We will take that.
We really want to do it.
Yeah. So thank you so much all for your patient hearing, and if you think we have done an okay job, you can clap for us. Thank you so much, and
Thank you so much.
much obliged, Ashok and team. God bless.
So a few of you guys who were there in the morning, you all saw we showed our platform Binge, which is our desktop trading platform, and we showed you 3 features we are extremely proud of. And like we said, there are 13 new features. And just for you all to know, we've introduced 52 new features. since we've launched, and that is since 2 years ago. But right now, this session is a very interesting session because this is about us trying to explain to you why Espresso is here. And if some of you follow a lot of other such events, you will see Espresso is largely present in a lot of those. But honestly, we want to explain to you what we want to change for traders. And that is what this conversation right now is about. Now, before I begin, we are 2 years old as of yesterday. So, this is something which is very, very dear to us. As of yesterday evening, which was 22nd September 22, we finished 2 years. And what have we been doing in 2 years? So, we wanted to just share a few numbers. 2 lakh customers, that's our customer base. Those are the number of traders who put their faith in Espresso. Now, why did they put this faith? 4.7 is our app rating as of June, and this we have been working diligently to improve it because we know the newer generation of traders that are coming in, they prefer using the mobile app. A lot of you who really are trading using a lot of charts, we know you all prefer the website. So we really work very hard on the website, and you obviously saw Binge in action. You saw the speed that it delivers. You will get that across our platforms because we understand that end of the day for a trader, what matters is your platform working correctly and is it working at the speed that you guys need. 52 new features. Now again, like we explained in the morning, these 52 new features, for us, it's about working with all of you and building these features. So our humble request, we are here with you for 3 days. Any of you have interesting features in mind which you are not able to get anywhere else, please come and have a word with us. We would love to build that for you. 4,400 comments which are appreciation that we have got. So this is just to explain to you in what level of detail we track things. Because, and this is just the positive, the reason the positive comes is when we work on the negative. So that is something we monitor every week. Kalyan, who's our CEO, who's here, every Monday he sits, he goes through all the negative reviews just to look at what are the issues we need to fix on a very high priority, and that's how we achieve these 4,400 positive reviews. Last but not the least, education, exactly why we are here. So again, a humble request to all of you, we work with a lot of YouTubers, and if any of you, even if you're not a YouTuber, you're thinking of getting into it, we would love to work with you where you can come and create educational videos so that a lot of the newer people who are coming into trading and investing, you can guide them right, because the experience you have is extremely valuable. Having said that, so this is what we've been up to in the last 2 years. Now this is the founding team. Now the founding team at Espresso is extremely important because what we realized is we have to put experienced people, because when it comes to trading, it's a lot of people's hard-earned money. There's a lot of expectation when it comes to how the platform should be in terms of design, in terms of feature, in terms of how it works on a daily basis. So Kalyan, who's our CEO, he's here with us. Rizwan, who heads tech, he's here with us. And Chandresh, who heads our platform, he's here with us. Some of you saw them in the morning. These are people who have built Sherkhan, and these are the experienced team members we put behind Espresso, because we understand that end of the day, when we all say discount broking, it is not at all about the price. It's about the platform and what it does for you. Now, this is the team. This is what we've been achieving in the last 2 years. Let's go a little into history. 2018 and 19, this is when, as Group Sherkhan, we were observing that, okay, discount broking is here. A lot of people are liking discount broking for what it is offering. But we noticed something very, very peculiar. All the discount broking offerings were seeming to center a lot around price. Yes, it's important. We do not deny that at all. But we were looking for something which we felt is a much, much bigger need that we can work with all of you and solve. And that is what we started thinking on. This is from Google. All of you have been through a journey till where you are today as a trader. A lot of the younger crowd sees where you are today. this journey, the steps, how many times you had to burn your fingers to learn what it really takes to trade, to learn to control emotions, to learn what happens in this journey. Now, when we saw this, we realized that there is a much, much bigger need. That's what we were looking for, because we didn't want to build a company which is about, oh, there is growth happening here, let us also jump into it. That's not how long-standing companies are built, because then we are not delivering the value you ask us for. So when we saw this, we said, what is going on over here? This is a truth. It's not only a truth about India, it's a truth globally. Unfortunately, 90%, and 90% honestly is a conservative estimate. It normally fluctuates between 90 to 95%. Traders do not succeed consistently. And this is truth one. What is truth two? We keep reading a lot of articles nowadays. Growth of demat accounts. And you see all these sharp curves. COVID brought a lot more people into the stock market, some because of a very dire need. But what is happening over here? On level one, people like you who are experienced, you all know it is very difficult to succeed consistently. And on the other end, there are so many newcomers coming into the market, and what do you think all of them expect? They think it's going to be an easy journey, the image I showed earlier. So when we saw this, we realized there is a much bigger need that discount broking as a category needs to serve. And therefore, Espresso from the house of Sher Khan realized that we need to really work towards delivering on this need. We know it's not an easy journey. We know it is not a short journey. And what is this need? We are committed to helping more retail traders succeed consistently. That's why you see this as a responsibility we take on our back. You see it on our t-shirts as we are here with you for 3 days. Now this is something which is, one would say it's, okay, sounds like a good thing you guys are trying to do. But how are you really going to do it? So let's talk a little bit about that, how we want to do this. Level 1, platform innovation. Like I said, we understand very clearly, end of the day, the better a platform is, the better the features are, the less time you have to spend on analysis, on execution, the better it is for you. So innovation is at the heart of pillar 1. And we know, again, it is to be done in multiple ways. What is the second pillar? Brokerage charges. And I'll tell you about this as we go along in the subsequent slides, and you will find this very interesting. Because when we say committed, we realize we have to put our money where our mouth is. Third, this is why you will find Espresso in all of these events. All of you are successful. You all know your strategies. You all execute it day in day. You all spend extra time to learn more. Because end of the day, the strategy that you know, it needs to be sharpened and honed, and you all come for a lot of these conferences because here you get a diverse set of views from a lot of other experienced traders. You make friends, but the main thing at the heart of why you all are here and why we are here is education. So when we say we are committed, these are the 3 pillars, how we want to deliver this commitment. Let's go a little deeper into each of these so that you understand when we say innovation, what do we really mean? Listening, listening, listening. The one thing we do extremely seriously at Espresso, and when I say we, Kalyan, Chandresh, Rizwan, the leadership team, they sit and they check and they listen. In this, how do we listen? The biggest tool available today, social media, where you all go and express. I don't know if you all have ever checked. There are so many ideas that so many of you share on social media in terms of, could you give me this? Or could you look into this? This is something which could be a specific need for a particular strategy, or it could be something which a lot of brokers might not have really delved into in a deeper manner. How do we listen? This is the external, but end of the day, our customers, our 2 lakh customers, we said we have to speak to them and we have to speak to them directly. So once a month, we do this. It's called Your Voice as a Customer of Espresso, where Kalyan, Chandresh and Rizwan, we invite 10 customers and we tell them, sit with the leadership team, and first and foremost, the first question is, tell us what is not working or what you are unhappy about our platforms. Because if we are not making you happy, or if you're missing something, we need to fix it. So your voice at Espresso is one such initiative of how we are innovating on platforms. Second way, using YouTubers, advanced traders like you, and even aspiring traders. So what we do is, if you go on our YouTube channel, you will see we have a lot of YouTubers who come and create videos. We tell them, great, you're helping to educate. But when they are creating these videos, they end up trying our platform. And we said, okay, if you're trying our platform, please sit with us and tell us if you didn't like something. It could be something as small as, I would have preferred this particular button being a little on the left because it's closer to the thumb. So this is how, when we say we are innovating, what we really mean is we want to co-create with our customers, we want to co-create with a lot of experienced traders like you, and also with a new younger generation coming in, because sometimes they might have a very unique idea of how the platform should have a particular feature. Now this is another interesting way. The truth about most of us today, the one thing we have very little of, or it gets less and less and less of, time. So we realized when you're using any of our platforms, especially the app, because most of our users are on the app, how can I capture your feedback where you don't have to spend time? And what did we do? We created this feature called Feel It, Say It. The way this feature works is, if you're on any of our screens on the app, it could be the order screen, it could be the watch list screen, you're trying to do something and you realize, oh, actually I thought this, I really like this, could be one reaction. Second could be, I think this could be improved with just a small change. You just shake the app, whichever screen you're on, it will take a screenshot and it will open this screen. If you look at this screen, it's got 3 parts: appreciation, feedback, and any other new suggestion. And over there is a small text box. You type it out, hit send. It goes to Chandresh's team and they monitor it. Now this is our way of saving you the time of even giving us feedback. This is how serious Espresso is. When it says it wants to co-create with traders, then we have to also respect your time in giving us the input. So this is pillar 1. Pillar 2, like I said, money where our mouth is. If you are not succeeding in your trade, and we said 90% consistently are not able to for some or the other reason, how can we really step in and partner you? Now this is not an offer, this is how Espresso charges brokerage. On your buy leg of the order, we will charge the 20 rupees brokerage and the taxes. When you square off your order, at that point, our system checks, was the trade profitable or not? If it was not profitable, that square off leg brokerage we do not charge. It might seem, yeah, okay, it's 20 rupees. Trust me, we sat down, we did the calculation. If you are not successful in the long run, and by you I mean a lot of the newcomers who are coming in, it adds up to a good amount. This 20 rupees, it adds up to a good amount. How does it help you? It is money that goes back into your capital. It is brokerage we don't earn. But we realized if we are dead serious about committing to this journey, and we know it's a long journey, then we need to be able to put our best foot forward when it comes to you sitting and trading. So this is how Espresso charges brokerage. The table below is a very simplistic table. If any of you want to understand how it works from a pure trading, different trading scenarios, we can sit and we can explain it to you. We even have a ready-made video. The point I'm making is, this is how we charge irrespective. It is not an offer for the conference, it is how we charge brokerage. Second, we know every little counts. Alright? So auto square off of orders, fund transfers, we do not charge that small amounts, because all these small amounts when it comes to trading keeps adding up. So this is the other commitment, pure money commitment that we make, that where can we help you have more trading capital, because the more your trading capital is, the more you will be able to work on your different trading strategies and get better and sharper. And just to say the fund transfer part, we have a tie-up with 6 major banks. Over there it's free. And for other 29 banks, we have a tie-up via Razorpay, which is a gateway. Over there we don't have a choice, but we have to charge a small amount. But where we can not charge you, we make it a point that we stand by you. I spoke about education. So we approach a lot of YouTubers. For us, it's not about how many followers they have, but if we think they're doing a good job, then what we do is we say, please come and help educate on Espresso platforms. Trading success beans. Now this is something very, very dear to Kalyan. This is trying to solve a cultural problem. Most of you must have faced it. As you were in your journey of becoming more and more committed to trading, unfortunately trading is not seen as a profession in our country. So this is like a, call it a coffee with Karan of sorts. There's Kalyan, and we would invite any one of you who would like to participate. It's got 2 simple parts. Your journey to where you are today, because we want people to realize it's not an easy journey. Second, what are your key nuggets that you want to educate people on? So this is the initiative we have on YouTube. So if any of you are interested, we would love to have you on the show. This is our small token again, trying to get more people to just try our platform and give us feedback. We are giving 2 months brokerage free up to 10,000 rupees. And this is our offer for this conclave. So please come up to our stall and we can sit down and help you open an account. Opening an account is free. So yeah, that is this. Now we also have a partner program. In the interest of time, I won't go through this. But key thing is, at Espresso, we truly mean it when we say we are committed to helping more retail traders succeed. I would just like to invite Kalyan to just say a few words.
I'll just take a minute because my new CEO, Shaurya, is saying stop. Yeah, but our humble request, so Danny has done his bit to actually tell you what we are doing, what we are trying to do. So simply put, हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ भाई, we don't claim हमको सब कुछ आता है, ठीक है ना? लेकिन one thing we can claim is हम अच्छा सुनते हैं. We love to listen to our customers, our patrons, our well-wishers. So if some of you can, I'm not saying, I mean, I would love to have all of you and people beyond there to get a sense of what Espresso is. My request is if you can help us get better, write to us if your platform is terrible. We have Ashok, who's anyways going to be very brutal. I was having a conversation with him. वो बोलने वाला है कि तुम्हारा प्लेटफॉर्म अच्छा है या बकवास है. मेरे को बहुत सारा बकवास सुनना इसीलिए है क्योंकि हम उसके वजह से काम करेंगे. That's my humble request. So from Team Espresso's perspective, please test us, please challenge us, please help us get better, because only if you come across as satisfied people can we get do a better job with a lot of others who are probably not associated with us. So that's my only humble request from Team Espresso side, and thank you Ashok for this platform. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Once again, big thank you to Mr. Danny as well as Kalyan for sharing those fantastic offerings from Espresso.